Hello, my name is Reza Yazdani. This is my CS50P project. The final project of my CS50P course is about numbers. In this project, we also work with string variables and we try to use the title method from a string library. In the first line of this program, uh, all the methods from the string library have been called. Line 3 lists odd numbers from 1 to 10 in a defined list. In line 4, a list of even numbers from 1 to 10 is placed. Then three functions are defined. The first function is the main function. The second function check whether it is odd or even, and the third function is used to receive input from the users. And this is test project. Thank you so much.